Welcome back, viewers. In Endeavour OS, there is lot of functionality that has been added to the welcome screen or the welcome app. For example, if you want to check out the latest software news that is happening in Endeavour OS, you have to click here. So this is available at the uh, bottom of the welcome screen or welcome app. It is called software news. You have to click on this button, so it will give you the important news about the Endeavour OS software. So it is just one click, matter of one click, and it will open up in the default web browser. So here you will see it opens up the GitLab page of Endeavour OS, and you can check out the Endeavour OS software news. So these are the important news. It is arranged by date. So you can just absorb everything that is happening currently inside the Endeavour OS software. Take a look. This is all what has happened, and this is what all is going to happen. So it is updated up till 23/05/2023, and there are also some additional remarks and all those things that you can check over here. You can also download the latest ISO from here. So all the latest ISO images can be downloaded from here. For example, I will just click on here. So it will open up the download page of the Endeavour OS. So here the latest download images for the Endeavour OS are available. So this is the R2 rebuild, that is, I think we can call it the RC2, that is available for the Endeavour OS Cassini Nova. So you can download it from there. So now I will stop the video. In another video I will show you some more functionality. So we will have some small videos, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, like that, and then in all those videos I will show you the different functionality that is available in the Endeavour OS. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.